Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on these blushes from K Beauty. These are their matte blushes. K Beauty launched these blushes some time back. Actually, काफी time हो गया इनको launch किए हुए, and I bought these blushes when they launched, but I didn't get a chance to share my review on these blushes. मैंने इनको एक दो बार try किया हुआ है, but I didn't get a chance to film a review and show the demo of these blushes to you guys. So I'm doing that in today's video. So I'll be showing you how these blushes looks on my face. I'm actually wearing these blushes only on my face. So I'll be showing you the demo of the blushes, and I'll share my review about these blushes in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So this one is K Beauty matte blush. This one is enriched with avocado and mango butter. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. The outer packaging is very similar to the standard K Beauty packaging. K Beauty की सारे product इसी तरह की packaging में आते हैं. Just that this outer packaging is color coded with the actual color of the blush. And on the back side you can find all the details. Like all other products, the actual price of the product is not mentioned on the packaging. At least I couldn't find it on the packaging, and this one retails for 799 rupees, and you get 8.5 gram of product in this blush. And the shelf life of this blush is 3 years, which is good time. So when you open this blush, it comes in this foam like this. It comes like this, so it's well protected, and this is how this blush looks from inside. The top is of rose gold color, and the bottom is color coded again. So the packaging of this blush is very similar to the packaging of highlighter. So I have the highlighter here. So the front packaging is similar, but the back packaging is not similar. So in this one you have this white color background here, but in this one, this part is color coded. It actually matches with the actual color of the blush. So the packaging is very nice. It's a very sleek packaging. It feels very it feels very lightweight, but it is not a cheap packaging. It is very high quality packaging, I would say. And from inside it looks like this. So you get this protective film here. Okay, so, and this is how it looks. You get this full size mirror as well. So this packaging is actually very similar to the highlighter packaging, and it's a good packaging. It looks very classy and chic and very slim. It's very slim, it's very travel friendly. You can easily put this blush in your bag and you are good to go. You can easily travel with this because of this very sleek packaging, and it looks very beautiful. I really like the packaging of these blushes. I love the packaging of this highlighter, and they came out with this blush as well in the same packaging, which I am really loving. And on the back side of the blush you can find all the details. So the name is mentioned here, and the expiry is also mentioned here, which is a very good thing. So actually you can find all the details which are present on the outer packaging. You can see everything mentioned on the inner packaging as well. Let's see what they claim about this blush. So I'm checking on Nykaa's website only. So they say that it's a natural matte finish. It is a lightweight formula, high definition, intensely pigmented, made of ultra fine particles, blendable and buildable formula, long lasting, enriched with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. This is also vegan free, cruelty free, paraben free, dermatologically tested, oil and mineral free. So there are total 8 shades available in this blush, and I got these 2 shades. So this is the first shade, Sugar Candy, which I just showed you. So this is the shade Sugar Candy. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade Sugar Candy, and the second shade which I have is Soft Nude. So, and this is how it looks like. Let me swatch this one as well for you. This one is Soft Nude, and this one is Sugar Candy. These blushes are very smooth and very buttery. These are very finely milled, looks like. So they are very soft to touch. It feels very nice when you touch these blushes, and you can see the pigmentation also is really good. This one didn't swatch well, so let me just swatch it once again. Yeah, now you can see. So the pigmentation is really good, and these are highly pigmented blushes, and the texture is very creamy, very soft and buttery. You get 8 shades in this blush range, and I think the range is really beautiful. They have come out with the shades which will look really good on Indian skin tone. So I think they kept Indian skin tone in mind and they came out with this whole blush range, because इसमें से जो सारे ही शेड्स हैं वो इंडियन स्किन टोन पे बहुत ही अच्छे लगेंगे, एंड कुछ कुछ ऐसे शेड्स हैं जो डीप स्किन टोन पे तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगेंगे. एंड देयर इज दिस वन शेड which I also have. Where did it go? Yeah, this one, the shade soft nude. I think this shade will look good on all kind of skin tones. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आपकी deep skin tone है तो it might not show up, but tan skin tone पे भी this shade will look really good. Like NC 40, 42, I think it will look really good on you. It's a really pretty a nude shade, and I think this is my favorite shade in the range. Actually I have only 2 shades, और इन दोनों shades में से ये मेरा जो है वो favorite shade है. So I have tried these blushes like 1 or 2 times. So in this video I'll apply both of these blushes on my face. Currently I'm not wearing any blush. I'm actually not wearing bronzer as well, so that I can show you the actual application and actual color of the blush on my face. So I'll apply these 2 blushes on the face, and we'll see how they performs and all, how is the pigmentation and all those things. So first let's apply this shade, the shade soft nude, on the face. I'm using this brush from Real Technique. Okay, so you can see there is a lot of kickback in this blush. I think because it is softly milled, there is a lot of kickback and you get a lot of product. So always remember to tap off the excess, because we already saw that it's a highly pigmented blush. So I'll just take off little bit of excess on back of my hand and then I'll apply it. So I'm applying it on the outer part of my cheek because I want to apply both the shades. So you can see, right, this blush looks so beautiful. It's a very pretty shade. It was very easy to apply और बहुत ही easily blend हो गया है. Just that remember to take off the excess because it's a very highly pigmented blush. तो हो सकता है कि अगर आप एक साथ बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करें तो it might get little difficult to blend, but just remember to tap off the excess, and उसके बाद it's very easy to work with these blush. Yeah, and I really love this shade. It's a really pretty shade. Now let's apply on the other side as well. So I'm again taking blush, taking off the excess, taking little bit of excess on back of my hand as well, because I don't want it to look patchy or anything. It's a very pretty shade. Seriously, it is so pretty. It's a very nice nude shade. Actually all the shades are so pretty. Like I was very confused when I was placing the order for this. I was sure about this shade though, like soft nude. I was totally sure. जैसे मैंने इसको देखा था, I was sure that I wanted to buy this, but I wanted to buy one more shade and I was very confused कि कौन सा shade purchase करूँ. And then finally I settled with the other shade, Sugar Candy. But this was, I was very sure, and my decision was actually right, because this is a very pretty shade. I mean, I can clearly see myself wearing this shade a lot. Like जब भी you are in doubt कि कौन सा blush wear करना है, you can totally go with this shade. It will go with all kind of looks, I would say. So this is how this blush looks like. Now let's try this shade, the second shade, Sugar Candy. This shade I'll apply here on apples of my cheek. Again using the same brush, but the other side of the brush. So the same thing, it also has kickback. Wow. So pretty, right? See, again very easy to apply and blend. मतलब बिल्कुल भी एफर्ट नहीं करना पड़ता इन ब्लशेस के साथ. बहुत ही easy to apply हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं फेस के ऊपर. So this is how this shade Sugar Candy looks on my face. So I'll quickly complete rest of my makeup and come back, and then I'll share my final thoughts on these blushes. So yeah guys, I'm back and I'm wearing the highlighter as well from K Beauty only. It's in the shade Rosy Dew. This is one of my favorite highlighter. Now let's talk about the blush. So I really like these blushes from K Beauty. These are very beautiful blushes, and these blushes are total matte blushes. They don't have any shimmer in them, so mostly people don't like shimmer in their blushes. So if you like matte blushes, these are the one for you. These are the perfect blushes for you. I like shimmer as well in my blushes, so I'm good anyways, but for people who like matte blushes, these are really good option. And बहुत ही अच्छे ब्लशेस हैं, बहुत ही बटरी, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट फॉर्मूला है. दे अप्लाई वेरी इजीली ऑन द फेस, बहुत ही इजीली अप्लाई हो जाते हैं, ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं. यू वोंट हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी इन ब्लेंडिंग दीज ब्लशेस. These are highly pigmented blushes, so just remember to take off the excess so that you don't apply a lot of blush on your face. But I think since they are very easy to blend, अगर आप mistake से थोड़ा ज़्यादा blush apply कर भी देंगे, so I guess you'll be able to blend it because they are very easy to blend and they look very beautiful on your face. ये जो दोनों शेड है मेरे पास मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. फेवरेट अगर बोलूँ तो दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट शेड, द शेड सॉफ्ट न्यूड, एंड दिस अदर शेड विच आई हैव शुगर कैंडी इज ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली नाइस ऑन द फेस, and yeah, these are really pretty blushes. The whole shade range is very pretty. I'm very impressed with the shade range because they have come out with shades which will look very good on Indian skin tone. आप किसी भी skin tone के हो, आप अपनी choice का shade आपको पक्के से मिल जाएगा इस blush range में K Beauty की, because बहुत ही अच्छे shades हैं, different skin type को ध्यान में रख के बनाए गए shades हैं, तो बहुत ही beautiful shades हैं. Packaging बहुत pretty है, like काफ़ी सिंपल सी पैकेजिंग है, बट इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. इट्स वेरी स्लीक एंड इट्स अ हाई क्वालिटी पैकेजिंग, नॉट अ cheap packaging. It is very sleek, very pretty packaging, and it's very travel friendly as well. Easily आप इसके साथ travel कर सकते हैं. So overall I really like these blushes, and maybe I would like to try some more shades, but अभी नहीं because I have so many blushes with me. Now about the price point, these blushes retails for 799 rupees, which I know a little bit costly, but considering the packaging, the formula, the performance of the blushes, I think the price is totally justified. But still, if you don't want to spend 800 rupees on these blushes, you can always look for discounts. अभी मैंने चेक किया तो इस पे I think 20% डिस्काउंट था, किसी शेड पे 20% डिस्काउंट था. एंड K Beauty पे जनरली डिस्काउंट्स आते रहते हैं. यू कैन ईजिली गेट 10-20% डिस्काउंट्स ऑन दीज ब्लशेस एज वेल. नाउ ये जो ब्लशेस हैं कुछ टाइम पहले लॉन्च हुए थे, थोड़ा टाइम हो गया इनको लॉन्च हुए, तो अब इन पे डिस्काउंट आना शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट दीज ब्लशेज ऑन डिस्काउंट, और दिस वे यू वोंट हैव टू पे 800 rupees फॉर दीज ब्लशेज. बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ नाइस मैट ब्लश विच परफॉर्म्स गुड एंड ऑल, you can totally check this out. These are very pretty. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this review and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.